Hey guys, after a long time we are playing games, and today we are going to play a new game. That's Subway Surfer. I was playing this from just like 5 or 10 days, but I'm not too pro in this game, so let's start the game. And today's target is 5,000. No, it's too simple. I already crossed 1,000, so it's too simple. We will keep we should collect this bicycles, because we will get claims after collecting 10 bicycles, and after the claims I will get my favorite character, that is Zayan. I don't know how to pronounce it. Zayan, like this. And actually it's also my friend's name. And we should even complete this. I have completed. Good. Use one hoverboard. Pick up 5 magnets. Okay. Beat your own high score. Oh my god. My high score is like my high score is 31,000, I think so, like this. I don't understand this. Whenever we get hurt, how this policeman will come and he will catch us like, oh, wait, like this. He will catch us. And I forgot to support. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm telling this. Sorry. Let's play it again. We got 1,500 coins. Yes. Let's go home. In this home, okay. Sorry. See, this is me, right? This is my score. That was not 31,000. This is my score. This is the simplest score. But my brother did like 11 lakhs. I also helped him to do blah 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 blah. I told him that let's just let us just make a high record. He said like, okay. Actually you saw I came to my grandmother's house, so then also I'm uploading my videos, and even I uploaded one short. Please even give a support to that short, because that is a mandir short. Means I went to a mandir. So yeah, just see it. I got 100 coins. Wait, this was use one hoverboard, right? Let us use one hoverboard right now. Wait. Double click. Yes! First mission done. Now what's the second mission? Let us see it, but let us cross this first. Yeah! Oh! Yeah, let's go over. Let's collect these coins. And when I go to my house, then only you can get Minecraft videos. Not right now, because Minecraft videos I need to edit a lot, and for editing I need Shanti, calmness. That I will not get here. I will come here for relaxing. I can relax over here. Not in my house. Editing tension, padhai tension, study. So I can't edit. Arey bro, you can go in the city, but why not in this game? My god. Ah. And sorry. And my favorite character, I will show you. Where is it? See, I have these character. No, I don't have. This is my favorite character, and we can also get this, and even this. My god. View. We see. I am in the second ones. This one, then two, then Zayan, Zadevayan. I don't know what should we pronounce it. After this, in the 21s, we get this, the second Zayan, and in the third, East-West outfit. Sorry. Yes. I will upgrade. This is my. I can turn off special power and start there. Okay. This. No, I don't need double jump. Leave it. What should I take right now? This? No. This? Yeah, I can take this. Should I? Let's take it. Yeah, I got this mission. One mission completed. Pick up, beat our own record. Own record means I need a lot. Sorry, I used just like this flying jet over here, and I got one more magnet. Means we got two magnets, right? And here top runs, right? We should defeat them. Means there is a tick mark over there. Means I defeated them already, because I am in the score of silver, I think so. No, bronze only. Yeah, bronze. Yeah, I am at the bronze. My brother is in the gold. I can also do that, but I need a lot of time. I don't have. I need to upload. I need to make I need to make videos. I need to upload videos. I need to do something else. So I can't. Yeah. Oh yeah. Ah! It's a jump, yaar. Yeah, that's not fair. Let's play it again. Wait. Now you will go way too. If we jump, why will the policeman also jumps? He will not go by jumping anywhere, yaar. We are not the high jumpers. Sorry, wrong English. Oh, yeah. We need more 2, right? No, 3. Then only we'll get Zayan. I'm so excited. Actually, my brother was also playing what? What was he playing, right? He was playing Subway Surfers before I downloaded it, but I already played this game, because before downloading this game I played the same version, but the older version. Yeah, jetpack. Top run. My god. If I lose, this is my last game. If I lose, I don't know what will I do. No, please, yeah, no, this didn't give me धोखा दिया तूने, नहीं दिया, sorry. अरे, in the top run, how did 846 come yaar? How many magnets? 3 magnets now, right? Yeah. This is in the top run. This character name is, I think so, Tricky. Yeah, Tricky. In the friends one also, I'm at the top. Yeah. In India, since I'm not in the top, but oh my god. What? Hush. Was a noob. What did I did now? Bewakufi. Huh? This is the last time I'm going to play this because I don't have much charging in my mobile and I'm making this. No, I have charging in my mobile. My god. This actually I'm playing with one hand. I don't know how, but I will play Subway Surfers with two hands. Oh yeah, I got key. Finally, yes. I got 21 keys. Oh my god, yeah, good. Jump. And I forgot that if you want. Yes. Yeah, Minecraft video. So please like and subscribe. Again I'm telling. I only have 28 subscribers. I want to grow. Hey Jack. First I was having this character. This Jack, sorry. Oh, which character is this? I saw him in the card. When I was small, I used to see the cartoon. I don't remember the name of that cartoon. And why am I just speaking English? Oh my god, I'm playing with left hand. I don't want to die. Oh. And guys, for today, this match is only okay. See, second is Jake, first is me, yay! And for today, this match is only okay. And we're doing the next video. Till then, take care, everybody, and bye.